Hi, everyone. Welcome back to SunnyTalk English Podcast.
Hello, friends. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Let's talk English the fun way.
Today, we're going to talk about something we all love, free time.
Yes, free time is the best time. It's when you can relax, have fun, and do what you enjoy.
That's right. So let's learn how to talk about what we do in our free time in English. So, Tom, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music. Sometimes I play video games with my friends.
It sounds fun. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly adventure stories. And you, Anna?
I enjoy painting and watching movies. I also love walking in the park on weekends.
That's nice. Walking in the park is relaxing.
What do you usually do when you stay at home on weekends?
I like to clean my room, listen to podcasts, and cook something simple.
Oh, you like cooking?
Yes, I find it relaxing. And sometimes I take a nap or watch YouTube videos.
Same here. I also enjoy watching TV series or documentaries.
What kind of shows do you like?
Mostly travel and food shows.
Do you play any sports, Tom?
Yes, I play badminton every Sunday morning.
That's great. I used to play badminton with my brother, too.
Do you play now?
Not really. These days, I prefer yoga or dancing.
Nice. Yoga helps you relax and stay healthy.
Exactly. It's good for both body and mind.
What kind of music do you like, Anna?
I love pop music and soft acoustic songs.
Oh, I like pop too. Who's your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift. Her songs are catchy and meaningful.
Me too. I listen to her when I drive or study.
Music really makes life better, right?
Absolutely. It makes us happy and calm.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On Saturdays, I often meet my friends for coffee or go to the cinema.
Sounds nice.
On Sundays, I stay home, clean my apartment, and prepare for the new week.
I think balance is important. Some time for fun, some for rest.
I agree. We all need time to recharge.
Do you like outdoor activities, Tom?
Yes, I enjoy hiking and cycling.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
I love being in nature. It helps me feel fresh and positive.
Me too. I sometimes go camping with my family.
That's great. Nothing beats fresh air and good company.
Do your friends share the same hobbies as you?
Some do. My best friend loves reading too, so we often share books.
That's cool. I have a friend who loves painting like me. We sometimes draw together.
It's great when friends share the same interests.
Yes, hobbies can bring people closer. Now, it's your turn, listeners. Let's practice together. Try to answer these questions. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you prefer staying at home or going out? What hobbies do you have? What do you usually do on weekends? Do you like outdoor activities?
Great job, everyone.
Remember, free time is not wasted time. It's time to rest, learn, and grow.
That's a good reminder. So take your time and enjoy life.
See you next time on SunnyTalk English Podcast.